Okay, when you guys buy this item on Amazon, you can buy it on eBay. It's gonna come with this little adapter here. This what screws into the toy hinge. You have to remove the cover in the front, and then it just screws right in there. It's gonna come with this bracket, which is gonna connect to front of this, and then it's gonna come with some screws for the plate, the 4 screws, and then it's also gonna come with the Allen key. So it's a small little kit. This thing costs about 30 bucks, probably like 27 or 25 bucks. You can buy this on Amazon, right? So if you're gonna install this. Alright guys, so we have a 2018 Infiniti Q50, and we're gonna show you guys how to install the front plate cover, but we're not gonna drill no holes in this bumper. We're gonna remove this little cap right here, and we have a special adapter for this. Alright, so we're gonna take a screwdriver and remove that cover gently so we don't damage anything, and we're gonna use a rag to protect the chrome grill. It's hard to see, but you see that little square? That's the cover you have to remove. So it comes right off with the screwdriver flathead. Next, we're gonna take this rod. We're gonna connect it to the threads inside. You can see there's like a little hole. This is gonna screw right in, make sure it's nice and tight. And then you're gonna use number 19mm wrench. So once you have that tightened up, you're gonna put in the front cover and then mount on the plate. Comes with a little Allen screw right in the center to hold the cover. Alright, now we're ready to put on the front plate cover. It comes with the thrust washers. Once you center the plate, all you have to do is tighten it. Make sure it's nice and tight. You also have to be careful you have enough gap there between the bumper and the plate. And once you have that, that's it. And after that, all you have to do is put on the plate. So the customer is gonna go get his plate, and we're gonna put it. We don't have to show that in the video, but that's how it looks. And then you have enough gap between the bumper and the plate. This protects the bumper from you drilling holes in it. A lot of people, they don't want their bumpers drilled holes into it. Alright, so to go over, you remove the cover, put the rod inside, and put the Allen key right in the center with the washer, and there's a washer behind it, and that's it.